In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add payment method to Pandadoc. Payment methods are what allow your customers to pay for invoices, proposals, or checkout links you send through Pandadoc. Once you connect a payment gateway, you can receive payments more smoothly and reduce friction during the checkout process. First, you will click Extensions. This is usually part of the main navigation or the settings area where additional tools and services are managed. When you click Extensions, you should see a section that lists add-ons, connected tools, or integrations that are available for your Pandadoc account. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct area, because this is where the connection workflow begins. Next, click Integrations. This step is important because it narrows the view specifically to payment and service connections. After you click Integrations, look for a list of supported services. The page may show different categories, but for this task, you will focus on payment gateways. If you see a search bar, you can also use it to quickly find the integration you need. Now, find your payment gateway, such as Stripe. Pandadoc supports multiple payment gateways, and Stripe is one of the most commonly used options. Spend a few seconds locating the specific provider you want to connect. You should see the gateway name displayed clearly in the integrations list, along with an option to connect or set up. If there are multiple payment-related services, choose the one that matches the payment account you already use for receiving online payments. And, after you locate the correct gateway, click Connect. This is the action that starts the connection process between Pandadoc and your payment provider. When you click Connect, you should be taken to a connection screen, or a new prompt may appear. This step matters because it tells Pandadoc to request access for the payment workflow, so you can route payments through your gateway account. At this point, follow the prompts to connect your payment account. The prompts you see will guide you through the authorization steps required by the payment provider. You may be asked to sign in to your payment account and confirm permissions. Follow each screen carefully and only proceed when the connection summary looks correct. If there is an option to allow or confirm access, select it so the integration can complete successfully. As you go through the prompts, pay attention to what you are connecting. You want to make sure the payment gateway you selected is the one that will actually receive payments. Also look for any confirmation messages that indicate the integration is active. Sometimes the system will show a status change, such as connected or enabled, once the process is complete. When you finish the prompts, return to the integrations area in Pandadoc and check that your payment gateway shows as connected. This helps you confirm that the setup worked as intended. If you do not see a connected status immediately, refresh the page and recheck, since it can take a moment for the connection to update. Once your payment method is connected, you can use it for the payment features within Pandadoc. That means when you send documents that require payment, your customers will have a working payment route through the gateway you connected. If you ever need to adjust settings later, you can usually revisit the integrations area to manage the connection. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.